Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GK with Rida. In today's video, we will discuss the part 1 of 100 general knowledge MCQs about Iran. In this video, we will discuss question number 1 to 50, and in part 2, we will discuss question number 51 to 100. So let's start. First of all, quickly overview the topic. At the end of the video, you will be able to know the official name of Iran, capital of Iran, supreme leader of Iran, political system of Iran, currency of Iran, official language of Iran, religion of Iran, area, its population, Iran's strategic importance, Strait of Hormuz, economy and oil, seas of Iran, desert of Iran, borders of Iran, location of Iran, largest city, current supreme leader, current president, current foreign minister, nuclear deal of Iran, which is called JCPOA, Iran's geopolitics, some MCQs about history of Iran and oil reserves of Iran. So watch the complete video. We will quickly go through these general knowledge MCQs about Iran. Question number 1 is, what is official name of Iran? Option A, Republic of Iran. Option B, Islamic Republic of Iran. Option C, Kingdom of Iran. Option D, Persian Republic. You can also write answer in the comment box. The correct answer is, official name of Iran is option B, Islamic Republic of Iran. This name was adopted in 1979 Islamic Revolution of Iran. Question number 2 is, capital of Iran is option A, Isfahan. Option B, Shiraz. Option C, Tehran. Option D, Tabriz. You can write answer in the comment box. Capital of Iran is option C, Tehran. Question number 3 is, supreme authority in Iran is held by option A, President. Option B, Parliament. Option C, Supreme Leader. Option D, Judiciary. You can write answer in the comment box. The correct option is, supreme authority in Iran is held by Supreme Leader. Question number 4 is, current political system of Iran is A, monarchy. Option B, Federal Republic. Option C, Islamic Republic. Option D, socialist state. You can write answer in the comment box. The correct answer is, current political system of Iran is option C, Islamic Republic. Question number 5 is, currency of Iran is option A, dinar. Option B, riyal. Option C, riyal. Option D, toman. The correct option is, currency of Iran is option C, riyal. Question number 6 is, official language of Iran is option A, Arabic. Option B, Persian or Farsi. Option C, Turkish. Option D, Kurdish. The correct option is B, official language of Iran is Persian or Farsi. Question number 7 is, majority religion in Iran is option A, Sunni Islam. Option B, Shia Islam. Option C, Christianity. Option D, Judaism. The correct option is, majority religion in Iran is option B, Shia Islam. Question number 8 is, legislative body of Iran is option A, Senate. Option B, National Assembly. Option C, Islamic Consultative Assembly or Majlis. Option D, Congress. Legislative body of Iran is called Islamic Consultative Assembly or Majlis. Question number 9 is, Iran is located in which region? Option A, South Asia. Option B, Middle East. Option C, Central Asia. Option D, Europe. The correct answer is B, Iran is located in region of Middle East. Question number 10 is, largest ethnic group in Iran is option A, Arabs. Option B, Persians. Option C, Kurds. Option D, Turks. Largest ethnic group in Iran is option B, Persians. Question number 11 is, total area of Iran is option A, 1.2 million kilometer square. Option B, 1.6 million kilometer square. Option C, 1.8 million kilometer square. Option D, 2 million kilometer square. The correct option is B, total area of Iran is almost 1.6 million kilometer square. Question number 12 is, Iran is divided into how many provinces? Option A, 28. Option B, 30. Option C, 31. Option D, 35. The correct option is C, Iran is divided into 31 provinces. Question number 13 is, which strait is strategically important for global oil trade near Iran? Option A, Strait of Malacca. Option B, Strait of Gibraltar. Option C, Strait of Hormuz. Option D, Strait of Bosphorus. The correct option is C. The strait which is strategically important for global oil trade near Iran is Strait of Hormuz. Question number 14 is the Strait of Hormuz connects option A Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea, option B Persian Gulf and Arabian Sea, option C Black Sea and Caspian Sea, option D Atlantic and Pacific. Strait of Hormuz connects Persian Gulf and Arabian Sea. Question number 15 is approximately what percentage of world oil passes through Strait of Hormuz? Option A 10%, option B 20%, option C 40%, option D 60%. The correct option is B. Almost 20% of world oil passes through Strait of Hormuz. Question number 16 is Iran shares borders with how many countries? Option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, option D 8. The correct option is 7. Iran shares border with 7 countries. These countries include Iraq, Turkey, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. Question number 17 is which sea lies north of Iran? Option A Arabian Sea, option B Red Sea, option C Caspian Sea, option D Black Sea. The correct option is C. Caspian Sea lies north of Iran. Question number 18 is major desert in Iran is option A Sahara, option B Dashte Kaver, option C Kalahari, option D Gobi. The correct option is B. Dashte Kaver is the major desert of Iran. Question number 19 is Iran lies on which plateau? Option A Deccan, option B Tibetan, option C Iranian, option D Anatolian. The correct option is C. Iran lies on Iranian plateau. Question number 20 is largest city of Iran is option A Isfahan, option B Shiraz, option C Tehran, option D Qum. The correct option is C. Tehran is the largest city and capital of Iran. Question number 21 is Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Husseini Khamenei was martyred on option A 25 Feb 2026, option B 26 Feb 2026, option C 28 Feb 2026, option D 1st March 2026. The correct option is C. He was martyred on 28 Feb 2026. Question number 22 is Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Husseini Khamenei served as supreme leader. Option A 1987 to 2026, option B 1989 to 2026, option C 1990 to 2026, option D none of these. The correct option among these is B. He served as supreme leader from 1989 to 2026. Question number 23. Who is current supreme leader of Iran in 2026? Option A Ali Khamenei, option B Ruhollah Khomeini, option C Mujtaba Khamenei, option D Hassan Rouhani. The correct option is C. Mujtaba Khomeini is the current supreme leader of Iran. Ruhollah Khomeini was the first supreme leader of Iran, while Ali Khomeini was the second supreme leader of Iran, and now Mujtaba Khomeini has become the third supreme leader of Iran. Question number 24 is Supreme Leader is selected by option B Parliament, option B People, option C Assembly of Experts, option D Judiciary. The correct option is C. He is selected by Assembly of Experts. Question number 25 is current president of Iran is option A Hassan Rouhani, option B Ibrahim Raisi, option C Masoud Pezeshkian, option D Mujtaba Khamenei. Current president of Iran is Masoud Pezeshkian. Question number 26 is Israel political system is best described as option A pure democracy, option B monarchy, option C Islamic theocratic republic, option D military rule. The correct option is C Islamic theocratic republic. Question number 27 is current foreign minister of Iran is option A Hassan Rouhani, option B Masoud Pezeshkian, option C Abbas Araghchi, option D none of these. The correct option is C. Abbas Araghchi is the current foreign minister of Iran. Question number 28 is Iran's foreign minister is part of option A judiciary, option B executive branch, option C military, option D religious council. The correct option is B. Iran's foreign minister is part of executive branch. Question number 29 is real power in Iran lies with option A president, option B supreme leader, option C army, option D judiciary. The correct option is B. Real power in Iran lies with supreme leader. Question number 30 is Iran's nuclear deal is known as option A NATO Pact, option B JCPOA, option C ASEAN, option D OPEC Treaty. The correct option is B. Iran's nuclear deal is known as JCPOA. It stands for Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. Question number 31 is Iran's economy suffers mainly due to option A population, option B sanctions, option C tourism, option D climate. The correct option is B sanctions. Question number 32 is Iran's main export is option A rice, option B oil, option C steel, option D cotton. The correct option is B. Iran's main export is oil. Question number 33. Iran's military elite force is option A army, option B IRGC, option C navy, option D police. The correct option is B. Iran's military elite force is known as IRGC. IRGC stands for Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. Question number 34 is Iran is a member of option A NATO, option B OPEC, option C European Union, option D G7. The correct option is B. Iran is member of OPEC. OPEC stands for Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Question number 35 is Iran's major geopolitical rival is option A India, option B Israel, option C China, option D Russia. The correct option is B. Iran's major geopolitical rival is Israel. Question number 36 is Iran's oil customers are mainly in option A Europe, option B Asia, option C Africa, option D America. The correct option is B Asia. Question number 37 is Iran is part of which resistance axis? Option A NATO, option B axis of resistance, option C European Union, option D ASEAN. The correct option is B. Iran is part of axis of resistance. Question number 38. Iran's nuclear deal was signed in option A 2010, option B 2015, option C 2018, option D 2020. The correct option is B. Iran's nuclear deal JCPOA was signed in 2015. Question number 39 is USA withdrew from nuclear deal of Iran in which year? Option A 2016, option B 2018, option C 2020, option D 2022. The correct option is B. USA withdrew from nuclear deal of Iran in 2018 during first term of President Donald Trump. Question number 40. 2026 protests in Iran were due to option A elections, option B currency collapse and inflation, option C war, option D religion. The correct option is B. 2026 protests in Iran were due to currency collapse and inflation. Question number 41 is largest buyer of Iranian oil is option A USA, option B China, option C India, option D Russia. The correct option is B. Largest buyer of Iranian oil is China. Question number 42. JCPOA relates to option A trade, option B nuclear deal, option C military alliance, option D oil agreement. The correct option is B. JCPOA relates to nuclear deal. Question number 43 is Iran's economy mainly depends on option A agriculture, option B tourism, option C oil and gas, option D IT. The correct option is C oil and gas. Question number 44 is rank of Iran oil reserves in the world. First, second, third, fourth. The correct option is third. Rank of Iran oil reserves in the world is 3. Venezuela oil reserves are at first number, while Saudi Arabia oil reserves are at second number in the world. Question number 45 is current population of Iran is option A 75 million, option B 80 million, option C 93 million, option D 100 million. The correct option is C. Current population of Iran is almost 93 million. Question number 46 is Constitution of Iran was adopted in 1975, 1979, 1989, 1990. The correct option is B. Constitution of Iran was adopted in 1979 after Iranian Revolution. Question number 41 is Iran system combines democracy with capitalism, communism, theocracy, socialism. The correct option is C. Iran system combines democracy with theocracy. Question number 48 is Ancient Persian Empire was founded by option A Darius, option B Xerxes, option C Cyrus the Great, option D Alexander. The correct option is C. Ancient Persian Empire was founded by Cyrus the Great. Question number 49 is Alexander the Great conquered Persia in option A 1st century BCE, option B 2nd century BCE, option C 4th century BCE, option D 5th century BCE. The correct option is Alexander the Great conquered Persia in 4th century BCE. Question number 50 is Parthian Empire lasted until option A 100 CE, option B 226 CE, option C 500 CE, option D 800 CE. The correct option is B. Parthian Empire lasted until 226 CE. So these were the 50 general knowledge MCQs about Iran. Write down your score out of 50 in the comment box. Question number 51 to 100 will be discussed in part 2. So subscribe this channel for the next part.